Here are 125 poems written in a single page uh, on theme of flowers. This is this poem has some dimensional expressions and research gist uh, by me, which has been illustrated by me, and this is as again I see that this is first time that in a single theme of flower in one page the such poems this kind of poem has been written. So while I submit this, I make a claim as a record in some prestigious book of world records. Here are poems, 125 poems. Now I'm writers. My name is Sivraj Pradhan, Dungsipara Tea Garden, Post Office Ramdhora, District Jalpaiguri, West Bengal, India. Now here I am going to read 125 poems for the record. Number one, flowers are pulse of noble hug. Number two, flowers are you, singular, plural, same. Number three, flowers are pledges for titleless bliss. Number four, flowers are quizzes with answer of aroma. Five, flowers are forts for jest of love status. Flowers are nutty with hoping winds. Seven, flowers enjoy graceful teasing. Eight, flowers sob with tears of the sky. Nine, flowers have journey to reach to all hearts. 10, flowers decorate violets delights. 11, flowers emote through color feeds. 12, flowers tickle in morning joys. 13, flowers dream to lead your dreams. 14, flowers imagine sanity total. 15, flowers envision unpolluted hips. 16, flowers pinch in shame of colors. 17, flowers adore seasonal temptations. 18, flowers defy beastliness. 19, flowers condemn savage rule. 20, flowers in string becomes garland. The flowers in temple is devotional symbol. Flowers offered signify tie. 23, flowers scattered sight romance. 24, flowers in bunch has friendliness tie. 25, flowers in vase decorational doses. 26, flowers invade with shy shot. 27, flowers seek echoing loneliness. 28, flowers meet in Saint flag. 29, flowers stay at noble beds. 30, flowers share sweetness but. 31, flowers score joy percentages. 32, flowers kiss in love forts. 33, flowers preach virgin bliss. 34, flowers tell cozy tales. 35, flowers talk lesson of freeness. 36, flowers draw rainbow hymn. 37, flowers stand at adolescence. 38, flowers live with blowing wind. 39, flowers tell silent stories. 40, flowers hide source of beauty. 41, flowers dance in joy of mission. 42, flowers assist to eat life nectar. 43, flowers sit in love's lap. 44, flowers imbue messless fitness. 45, flowers impose innocence. 46, flowers save living bliss. 47, flowers twist tender selves. 48, flowers enter through aroma door. 49, flower right in Princess Yon. 50, flowers peel up cloudy mirths. 51, flowers wait with spring partner. 52, flowers march with full moon. 53, flowers make fruitless sketches. 54, flowers control mind pollution. 55, flowers dig deep selves. 56, flowers pride best fitness. 56, flowers pride best fantasy. 57, flowers signal to purity of soul. 58, flowers hope into relation of joys. 59, flowers weep in autumn course. Flowers 60, flowers shiver in winter sorrows. 61, flowers woo rainy days. 62, flowers assign foulest task. 63, flowers heat modest trend set. 64, flowers peace spill tone of hugs. Flowers put on spiritual apparel. 66, flowers hold comeliness. 67, flowers compile dictionary of innocence. 68, flowers design gentle caressing. 69, flowers so suggested. 70, flowers grow in virgin fondness. 71, flowers reap golden smile. 72, flowers gather bear joy. 73, flowers taught to silent them. 74, flowers breathe robust sweetness. 75, flowers Wonder in Company of Wind 76, flower grid in Suburban 77, flower employ bees hysteria 78, flowers wink in Spring Court 79, flowers generate felicilous moves 80, flowers explore foot of emitive 81, flowers spin up badge of gazes 82, flowers convey spring message 83, flowers are ode of feeble lane 84, flowers are prayers of angel 85, flowers are boom boom 86, flowers are magic gene 87, flowers are non-violent 88, flowers are fiats infinite 89, flowers are merry makers 90, flowers are kisses of pear 91, flowers are vitamin of for love 92, flowers have eyes of heart 93, flowers have outgrowing jets 94, flowers have pruned conscience 95, flowers have butterfly plages 96, flowers have promise of paradise 97, flowers have pious sides, flowers have 98, flowers have depth exodus 99, flowers have moods of beauty in 100, flowers have sweet tenderness 101, flowers have subtle grammars 102, flowers have enticing stare 103, flowers have burning zeal 104, flowers have charming worded you 105, flowers have judicious charms 106, flowers have cuckoos queens 107, flowers have third eye of love 108, flowers have verbs of nature 109, flowers have intuitional ache 110, flowers have school of thoughts 111, flowers have renowned hello, flowers have 112, flowers have erudite space 113, flowers have wall of embrace 114, flowers have pitfallless venues 115, flowers have jokes of bees 116, flowers have trapless joys 117, flowers have timey players 118, flowers have cards of coyness 119, flowers have gun of prettiness 120, flowers have enchanting valor 121, flowers have warm for brutes 122, flowers have classic me 123, flowers have hits of purity, flowers have 124, flowers have pedantic giggling 125, flowers have gist of classic courses. Now here are 125 poems I have read for the record of for the record of world record books.